Section 6. After centuries of marginalization and discrimination, the indigenous populations of Latin America are finally being recognized and respected. The United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples was adopted on September 13, 2007. It states that the United Nations recognizes that indigenous peoples have the right to be free from discrimination, the right to express their cultural identity, the right to control and access their lands and resources, and the right to benefit from social services and political action. That is to say, indigenous peoples have the same rights as any other people in Latin America. They have also stated their case for better access to healthcare, education, and rights to their water resources. Nearly half of Latin America's indigenous population can be found in cities where they have migrated for the same reasons as other Latin Americans have, for better access to jobs, education, and healthcare. The South American countries Bolivia, Ecuador, and Venezuela take the lead in having the best records for government representation. In fact, in Bolivia in 2011, for the first time in history, voters elected an Aymara indigenous woman, Cristina Mamani, to serve as president of their nation's highest court, the Supreme Tribunal of Justice. Even so, despite their large populations, indigenous peoples generally have little representation in their country's governments. For this reason, indigenous peoples are more and more often coming together to protest and actualize their rights. They are attempting to effect change in the laws and in their country's societies. In this way, the indigenous populations of Latin America can integrate into modern society while maintaining their unique cultures and bringing an end to the negative effects of being marginalized.